Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the prerequisites. Both reports must live where you can access datasets, and you need build permission on the source dataset. Once confirmed, open the destination report in Power BI Desktop or in the Service Editing view. Next, choose Get Data and select Power BI Datasets. This is the only supported path to directly link two reports. You do this because linking reuses the source semantic model, avoiding replication and keeping measures consistent across reports. After selecting Power BI datasets, pick the exact source dataset you will link. You should use Live Connections/Direct Query to preserve one live semantic model. This ensures measures, roles, and calculations remain centralized. Once connected, do not import the data. Use fields directly from the linked dataset. Then rebuild or adjust your visuals in the destination report to reference those linked fields. This keeps data governance intact and makes future changes to the source dataset automatically flow. To finish, save your destination report and publish it back to the workspace where users expect access. Once published, test slicers, row-level security, and measures to confirm they behave like the source. If visuals show errors or blank values, check permissions first. Lack of build permission is the most common blocker, and ensure the dataset isn't hidden or using unsupported features. If problems persist, republish the source dataset, then reconnect. That often resolves metadata mismatches and refresh issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.